Welcome to Master 2255 English Phrasal Verbs, complete course with 150 categories for fluency. This course is your complete guide to mastering English phrasal verbs in every context. Today, we're focusing on the 60th category, cleaning and tidying up, master household phrasal verbs. These verbs are essential for keeping your home organized and spotless. Let's get started. First, let's begin with clean up. This phrasal verb means to make a place neat and tidy by removing dirt or clutter. For example, we need to clean up the living room before the guests arrive, or he cleaned up the kitchen after dinner. Next is tidy up. This refers to organizing and arranging things neatly. You might say, she tidied up her desk before starting work, or let's tidy up the bedroom, it's a mess. Pick up describes collecting things, especially from the floor, to make a place look better. For instance, he picked up the toys scattered across the room, or please pick up your clothes from the floor. Wipe down means to clean a surface using a cloth or sponge. You could say, she wiped down the counters after preparing food, or make sure to wipe down the table before setting it. Sweep up refers to cleaning dust or dirt from the floor using a broom. For example, he swept up the leaves from the patio, or let's sweep up the hallway. It's covered in dust. Mop up means to clean a floor using a mop or to remove liquid. You might hear, she mopped up the spill in the kitchen, or after sweeping, it's time to mop up the floor. Throw away describes discarding something you no longer need. For instance, he threw away the old newspapers, or don't throw away that box. I might need it later. Clear out means to remove clutter or unwanted items from a space. You could say, we cleared out the garage to make space for the car, or it's time to clear out the old clothes from the closet. Put away refers to placing items where they belong. For example, she put away the dishes after washing them, or please put away your books when you're done studying. Wash up means to clean dishes or oneself. You might say, I'll wash up the plates after dinner, or he washed up before heading out. Dust off describes removing dust from surfaces or objects. For instance, she dusted off the bookshelf before rearranging the books, or he dusted off his old guitar and started playing again. Rinse off means to quickly clean something using water. You could say, rinse off the vegetables before cooking them, or he rinsed off the soap after washing his hands. Wipe off refers to cleaning dirt or liquid from a surface. For example, she wiped off the coffee spill from the table, or he wiped off the fingerprints from the glass. Brush off means to remove dirt or particles using a brush or hand. You might hear, he brushed off the crumbs from his shirt, or she brushed off the dirt from her shoes. Finally, scrub out describes cleaning something thoroughly, often with effort. For instance, she scrubbed out the stains from the sink, or he scrubbed out the pot to remove the burnt food. These phrasal verbs are perfect for describing cleaning and organizing tasks in your home. Practice using them in conversations about daily chores, and they'll quickly become second nature. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.